Hello there, Radiant Souls. Today, I want to talk about something that confuses a lot of people who are waking up spiritually. You might sense that you have spiritual gifts, intuition, healing, vision, communication with spirit, but for some reason, you can't seem to access those gifts. You try meditating, cleansing, raising your vibration, but something still feels off. Most people think that the problem is that they're carrying other people's energy. And while that definitely can make things fuzzy, it's not necessarily the root cause. So if you're curious about this topic or others like it, please like, subscribe, or share this channel. It really helps the channel grow. Soul protection is a brand new healing modality, and I am committed to getting the word out. Okay, back to business. What truly blocks your spiritual gifts is when your energy field isn't fully your own, not necessarily because of other people's energy, but because of dark force energy or soul fragmentation. If you want to know more about what dark energy is, I have a video on the subject. Feel free to check it out. As a quick review, dark force energy is low frequency energy that pulls you out of alignment. It's energy that doesn't belong in your field. Energy that slows, distorts, or drains your light. These dark force energies create interference like static between you and source. And when that interference gets strong enough, parts of your soul can actually split off or go dormant to protect you. And that's what I call soul fragmentation. It often happens in moments of trauma, especially when you're experiencing more pain than you can safely process. You're still whole at your core, but some of your power, clarity, spiritual sensitivity may be parked in those unhealed places. Your spiritual gifts aren't gone. They're just tougher to access until your energy's restored to its natural, sovereign state. That's why the first step in my work as a soul protector is always clearing and restoration, removing dark force energy, retrieving lost soul parts, and bringing your light back into alignment. When that happens, some of the things people have said to me when that happens is my intuition suddenly came online. I started hearing my spirit guides more clearly. My healing energy, because I work with healers, my healing energy feels stronger than ever. Because that's what happens when you regain soul sovereignty. Your gifts come back online. Now, here's the beautiful part. Your gifts have always been there. They're still there. They're simply waiting for the right energetic conditions to be able to thrive. Once your energy is fully restored, you can begin to cultivate those gifts. It's like learning to play an instrument that's been waiting in its case the whole time. So you pull it out of the case, you practice, you deepen, you grow in partnership with your gifts and with spirit. And that's how you move from potential to really mastering those gifts. So if you've been frustrated or feeling like your gifts are blocked, don't assume something's wrong with you. It may simply mean that your energy needs restoration. It may be time for you to reclaim your soul sovereignty. That's where soul protection and soul restoration come in. They clear the interference so you can connect directly to the divine again and to your gifts. If you'd like to learn more about the work that I do, you can visit me at drthaedafranz.com. If this message resonated, please like, subscribe, share the video so we could reach others who need to hear it. I want to finish by saying, remember that you're not broken. You are sacred, you are sovereign, and you are designed for connection with the light. Grace and peace to you.